So here you in the threat modeling, okay, we are looking at the introduction to cyber security practical. Okay, so I wanted to do a practical session after whatever we completed, so that I feel satisfied that you are gaining some knowledge. So from the past experience, I am going ahead like this. Okay, so now here host name, okay, CTL. So this is my information, okay, OS kernel, this is my identity, okay. So this is the value. If the value is very high here, okay, so if this information is compromised, then lot of things will get compromised here. So this is the key information. So if somebody knows, okay, I am running it on 8-year-old firmware, okay, then it is exposed to lot of security flaws here. They will come to know like I am running it on hypervisor which is 8-year-old. Okay, so this will give the exposure. It is very high. Okay, and let's say I will get now, okay, who am I? Okay, so let me put the ID also here. I am getting it. What is the username I have logged in? This is my username and this is my ID here. Okay, so ID here, group ID. Okay, there is no group here added. Groups. Okay, so 10 is wheel group. Wheel group means if I am added into wheel group, then I will get admin privileges. Automatically I get admin privileges. Okay. Then that is the key information. Then you have ls-al, okay, home. So now I am typing it here using shell here. Okay, who am I? So I can directly so I have 4 users here: Arvind, DevOps, Rafi and Ubaid. So these are all the users that you have it here. You can see it here. I have root, okay, I have Arvind, DevOps, Rafi and Ubaid. Okay, this information is user data. So this is called user data. Okay, how many users are there? So whatever we are looking, that is called footprint.
This is the footprint.
Footprint of user data. Footprint means the size.
Okay.
So whatever if I ask you footprint means I am basically asking the size here. So what is your foot size means I am not looking at the foot size. I am looking at the overall. Okay, that's why you will ask what is the footprint. Okay, so then what you have next? So I created this. Okay, then IPA. So this is my IP address. This is how many Ethernet adapters I have connected. Okay. So one is loopback address. I don't need this. Okay. Because in every machine you will have this loopback address. This will be for checking it, whether your network card is working or not. That's it. Okay. So then you have a second adapter, Ethernet 0. This is how Fedora will be giving you the IP address, the network adapters. Okay. Okay. Then you have 3. These are all state is up here. Okay, I have connected 1, 2, 3, 4 adapters I have connected. Okay, so this information, okay, so you are taking this here, information, network interface and reachability. So this information is used to reach my computer. Okay, so this is how you will be building the assets here. One is OS plus kernel. Okay, so let me draw it here in a graphical way. I will open up the paint here. Okay, so first one is your OS plus kernel, which is giving you the host name CTL. Okay, so I am taking this OS kernel identity. Okay, so this will hold lot of foothold. Foothold means a lot of information. Without this, compromising the server is very difficult. Okay, so you will take this information. This is very crucial. Okay, then what you do after that? So you have done the who am I and ID. Okay, this will give current user plus privilege level. What type of privilege you have? So it got exposed, like this guy is a normal user. So he cannot, he is not a part of sudo. He is not part of wheel group. Okay. So now again you are typing ls-al, the home slash dollar who am I. Okay, so this one you are typing it here, who am I. So here you are getting all the user data footprint. Okay, now IP address. Okay, IPA. So this you are getting it network interface, network info, and how this can be connected, connectivity or reachability. Okay, this is how you will be getting all the information. Okay, now we will be looking at each of the thread here. Okay, so let's say if I am I get a USB malware drive, okay, USB pen drive. Okay, unauthorized SSH access, data theft, lateral movement, all that. Okay, it will be compromised on the other VMs also. Okay, let's say you are running a VM here. This is your network. Okay, okay, this is my network. Okay, let's say this is Hemant laptop. This is Bhargavi. Okay, this is the Ascent desktop. So somebody has downloaded something and you have kept this USB pen drive, okay, onto your desktop. So this malware or any virus, okay, what it will happen, what it will do, it will propagate to the entire network. It will go here and then it will go. So your switch, whatever switch you have, it is going to propagate here and it is going to steal all the information present here. Okay, so if I am not present in this network, let's say I am not in the Ascent network, then you will not be able to access my information. Okay, so now I want to block this. So let's say what we will do, we will take one more here. So I have laptop here, one laptop. This is Neelanchal. Okay. So I have one more laptop here. This is Bhargavi. Okay. This is Hemant. Okay. And I have Ascent laptop here or Ascent desktop. So what I will do, so we are all connected to one switch here or one Wi-Fi. Okay. Let's say this is how we connected. So this is how we connected. So what I will be doing, I will configure the firewall here. I will block all the access. This is my firewall. I will enable the firewall here, so that if you get virus here, let's say you get compromised. Okay. Let's say first Neelanchal got compromised here. Okay. Then he is propagating, then Bhargavi, then here. So now it is trying here. Now I am stopping it here. Okay. So you got it, how you are going to control it. Okay. Now I will tell everybody, okay, to enable the firewall in their laptop. Okay. So now let's say this is one type of virus. Okay. Let's say I will type, okay, green virus. So now we will draw one more here diagram. So now we have this is a green virus now. Okay. So now it is trying to propagate. Okay. So she has done the firewall here. She enabled firewall. I have also enabled firewall now. Okay. Now Hemant is not having firewall now. Okay. So now this virus will carry forward and it will infect. So we have configured firewall. That is why it is protected. This is firewall here. So this one is also firewall. This is the host firewall. Okay. Host means your computer. computer or laptop. That is called as host. Host firewall means which is inside your host. Network firewall means it will be at the network level. Application firewall means it will be at the application level. Okay. So this we will call it as network firewall or simple firewall we call. Firewall means it will be in the network. Host means it will be inside the OS. Application firewall, or we call it as WAF, web application firewall. Okay, which will be protecting your application data. Okay, so that is how we will be doing it. For the threat modeling. Okay, so now we will see the threat classification, how you will classify the threats here. Okay, so let's say you have we will take the bleeping computer. Okay, example, we will take a bleeping computer. Take this example. Okay, you see it. This is your virus. Okay, that is coming from the firewall. You are blocking. This is not a good picture. Okay, we will take it from one example only here. So we will go to paint here. Clear now. So you have a hospital here. Okay, let's say your healthcare. You are having a healthcare here. Okay. So have you heard about ransomware attack? this is hospital. Okay, let's say this is plus symbol here. This is your hospital. Okay, so now what virus has entered here inside this. Okay, then it is targeting, okay, health providers. So it is stealing all the data. Okay, and let's say you have 10 computers here inside it. Okay, so you have 10 computers, so all the data is encrypted. So data is encrypted. It is asking for money. Okay, you pay me, okay, $2,000, then I will release this data to you. Okay, so all are encrypted. Okay, you cannot read any data, so that is encrypted. So if you have decryption key, then only you can open the data here. So this is your financial extortion. So if you pay, I will give you. Okay. So now in this type of attack, okay, so what you are going to do is, you need to see, so where this data got leaked, how this virus has entered. Entry point. Entry point is all are, let's say all users are accessing through laptops only. Okay, somebody has downloaded something and they have installed the application. After they have installed the application, virus has entered. Okay, they don't have backup also. If they format the data here, if they format, they can install the software, but they cannot install the data. Whatever the data, it will be lost. They have 50 GB hospital data, doctor's data, patient data, all will be lost if they format. Okay, so they didn't had a backup. Okay, so data backup was not done. Okay, this is EDR. Okay, endpoint detection response. So you should be having endpoint detection response. So once you take backup, so what you will do, you will format all. Okay, I don't want. Okay, then you will format it and you will copy the data, hospital data. This is one solution. The other one is, you want to stop that. For that, what you will do, you will install the EDR, endpoint detection response. If there is any virus, what should be the response? Okay, so how it should respond? Then you need to have network segmentation. Okay, I will make this one big here. So what you need to do? You need to do a network segmentation here. So desktop users will have one network. Okay. Servers will have one network. Okay. And patients and doctors will have one network. Okay. So all it should be different or it should be segmented. Okay. Let's say some guy has come in here and he has infected the virus here. So then only laptops are infected here, because you have separated this. You have separated this one also. Only this will get infected. So you are not infecting here because you have network segmentation, you divided this. Okay, that is how you are ensuring that it is not propagating to the others here. So you understood or not, Hemant? టాపిక్ అర్థమైందా లేదా?
No, no, sir.
So this is what you are classifying the threat here. Okay. Then if you are having Remenex, you open the tools Nmap or Ghidra. You type Ghidra in Remenex. So I will stop the recording now.